Watch where you aim that morning breath. That should come with a warning label. What a wake-up call.
Looks like someone woke up on the wrong side of the warthog. What's the matter, Pops? Had a little too much Hakuna Matata?
Ooh. Sonny boy, I invented Hakuna Matata.
Oh, yeah? Well, I perfected it.
Sure you did. Sure you did. Pumbaa, who holds the record for the world's longest bug belch?
That would be Simba.
Alrighty then, who's the champion at slug swallowing?
Simba again.
Cricket crunching?
Simba.
Grub gulping?
Simba.
Maggot munching?
Still Simba.
Snail slurping?
Oh, nobody. We never had a snail eating contest before. I don't think this is such a good idea.
I told you this wasn't such a good idea.
Thus did the pupil surpass the teacher.
You've been hanging around with the monkey again, haven't you? Our Simba is growing up. Is this the little boy I carried?
When